Nearly 50 people from Camp Zama, some of them wearing masks bearing the face of an oni or devil, are heading east from the Sagamihara Housing Area. But why?
Because we want to participate with anything that is going on in Japan.
They traveled to the nearby Ninomiya Shrine to join in Setsubun, a traditional Japanese ceremony that was held there February 3rd. Camp Zama's Army Community Service organized the walking tour to the shrine to show the community members a unique aspect of Japanese culture. During the ceremony, people throw roasted soybeans while chanting the phrase "Oni wa soto, Fuku wa uchi," which means evil's out, good fortune in. Adding to the excitement, a few of the packets of soybeans that the shrine staff and guests threw had numbered slips of papers randomly attached. The lucky participants who caught one of the packets could exchange it for a prize after the event.
I learned about it yesterday in host nation at school, and my mom heard about it, so my mom decided to come. So this is what made us here.
It was a very beautiful experience. I think it was good to experience it for the very first time, especially since we are PCSing soon. It was nice to learn about the bean throwing. It was really beautiful. And we won a prize, lotion tissue, yes.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was fun. It was crowded and there were lots of people and everyone was having fun. I loved it, like, as they were throwing the beans, like, everyone was reaching for it. It wasn't just like, oh, why am I here? Like, the whole group was involved, so.
The modern Setsubun originated in Japan's Muromachi period between 1336 and 1573. It is celebrated at homes, schools, shrines, and temples across the country.
Get out, enjoy, experience it while you're here. So that's whole reasons that what we are doing.
For U.S. Army Garrison Japan Public Affairs, I'm Jay Mann.